Want instant access to your Fiverr earnings with no withdrawal fees? In this video, I'll show you how to use the Fiverr Revenue Card for fast and free access to your money. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. The Fiverr Revenue Card is a prepaid MasterCard that allows you to spend your earnings immediately, online or in-store, anywhere MasterCard is accepted. First, you need to order the card. Go to your earnings page and click on Revenue Card. Follow the steps to request your physical card, which will be mailed to you. Once you receive it, activate it through the provided instructions. You can also add a virtual card to your mobile wallet like Apple Pay or Google Pay for instant use before the physical card arrives. To use it, simply withdraw your available earnings directly to the card. The transfer is instant and fee-free. You can then use the card for purchases or ATM withdrawals. A crucial pro tip: while withdrawals to the card are free, standard ATM operator fees may apply when you withdraw cash. Use it primarily for purchases to get the full benefit of fee-free transactions. And just like that, you have a powerful tool for instant access to your income. Using the Fiverr Revenue Card turns your digital earnings into spendable cash in seconds. Do you use the Fiverr Revenue Card, or do you prefer other methods? Share your thoughts below. To keep track of your money, watch our next video on how to check your Fiverr account balance. Thanks for watching.